If Steam tools are not working, not opening, or failing to install, don't panic, this is usually easy to fix. First, completely close Steam, make sure it's not running in the background by checking the system tray or ending it from the task manager if needed. Now, open Steam as administrator. This alone fixes many tool issues, especially for things like Steamworks tools, SDKs, or dedicated servers. Next, go to Steam icon on the top and then click on Settings. In Settings, go to Download and clear download cache. Now, Steam will restart and refresh corrupted files. After that, open your library and under Games and Softwares, select Tools and unselect all the other ones. Find the exact tool that's not working, click on it, and then click on Properties, then Install Files and click Verify Integrity. If it still doesn't work, check your Steam library folder location. Go back into Settings and go to Storage and make sure the tool is installed on a drive with enough space and proper permissions. Finally, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall. Then try launching the tool again. Security software often blocks Steam tools. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.